Imagine completing your sentence and stepping back into the world, ready for a new chapter. It is a moment filled with hope and the promise of a fresh start. But as you navigate this transition, it is crucial to understand that your freedom comes with specific responsibilities and important rules, especially concerning certain items that are restricted. So, can you possess firearms while on parole? The straightforward answer is almost always no. For individuals on parole, possessing firearms is generally prohibited under both federal and state laws, and violating this condition can lead to severe consequences, including returning to prison. The core reason behind this strict prohibition lies in the very purpose of parole: to ensure public safety and to support your successful reintegration into the community. When you are on parole, you are still under the supervision of the justice system. Federal law, specifically the Gun Control Act of 1968, makes it illegal for anyone convicted of a felony offense to possess a firearm. Since individuals on parole have typically been convicted of felonies, this federal prohibition applies directly to them. Additionally, states have their own laws that mirror or even strengthen these restrictions, often making firearm possession a mandatory violation of parole conditions. This means that if you are on parole, you must completely avoid any type of firearm. This includes rifles, shotguns, handguns, and even antique firearms if they are functional. It is not just about carrying a weapon. Mere possession, even if it is in your home or a vehicle you are driving, can be a serious issue. You cannot have them for hunting, for self-defense, or even if someone else in your household owns them. It is absolutely critical to understand your specific parole conditions, which will explicitly state this restriction. Understanding the nuances of possession is key here. The law often distinguishes between actual possession, meaning you have the firearm on your person, and constructive possession, which means you have control over the area where the firearm is found, like your apartment or car. Both types of possession can lead to parole violations and new charges. This is often a strict liability offense, meaning that even if you did not intend to possess the firearm or were unaware of its presence, you could still face penalties. Always communicate openly with your parole officer and, if unsure, consult with a qualified legal professional to clarify any questions about your specific situation. Successfully completing parole is a significant achievement that opens the door to truly regaining your full freedoms. Adhering strictly to all parole conditions, especially the prohibition against firearms, is essential to avoid any setbacks. By being fully informed and proactive, you can navigate your parole period without incident, ensuring a smooth transition back to independent life and securing your future.